What's going on, guys? Back at the backyard bars again, and today I'm gonna bring you guys a full body calisthenics workout. It doesn't take too long. It's pretty high speed, so we keep the intensity up, and it's gonna get you much better at calisthenics while burning calories and still getting stronger. Let's get it. All right, so the 4 main workouts when it comes to calisthenics training is pull-up, push-ups, dips, and squats for legs. So today we're gonna be doing all 4 of those, real simplistic workout. This is gonna get you much better at the basics of calisthenics. The bigger your base, the higher you can build. So no matter how advanced you are, you need to still be doing these basic workouts so you can build that base bigger. So like I said, today we're gonna be doing pull-ups, push-ups, dips, and squats. We're gonna start with pull-ups. If you can't do pull-ups, you're gonna do bodyweight rows, whether it be on the rings or on a low bar. Same applies with the dips. If you can't do dips, you do it on the ground with a chair or on your stairs. If you can't do squats, you could sit down and get up. And if you can't do regular push-ups just yet, you could do it on an elevated surface to make it easier, and eventually you go lower and lower and lower until you could do that full push-up. Remember to keep good form throughout. I'll explain that as we go through it. Let's get it. All right, guys, so our first workout, I'm gonna start with pull-ups. The way we're gonna run this workout is you're not gonna rest in between each workout. You're only gonna rest at the end of the round. So we're gonna do all 4 of these workouts for a total of 3 rounds. You'd like to get the range between 8 to 12 reps if possible. I'm gonna be doing 12 reps on pretty much everything that we do, except for squats. Squats, we're gonna go a little bit higher up to that 20 rep range. I'll show you the easy progression and the harder progression throughout. This is kind of a follow along, so if you wanna do this as I go, feel free to do so. I'm gonna start with pull-ups, then I'm gonna do dips, then we're gonna do push-ups, and I'm gonna end with our explosive squats. For me, you could do regular squats or seated squats if you're a beginner. So we're gonna start with those pull-ups. Like I said, you could do rows if you can't do pull-ups just yet. We're gonna start right away. Like I said, there's gonna be no break in between each workout. We're gonna go right into it, okay? So once we start, we're going. So pull-ups first, here we go. Full range of motion, all the way down, all the way up. Keep that core nice and engaged. If you guys can't do a pull-up yet, I'm gonna put the link somewhere on this page to get your very first pull-up. I made a video about that. So not wasting any time, going right into dips. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna do 15. I know 15 is a good rep range for me. Most of the people would do like 8 to 12 here. So we're up, elbows stay tight, all the way down, all the way up, body stays straight. All right, wasting no time, getting right into these push-ups. I'm gonna do them on the nice parallel bars here. Whew. All right, so that is our pull-ups, push-ups, and dips. Now I'm gonna go right into explosive jumping squats for our leg workout. Now I'm gonna be explosive because regular squats are a little too easy for me. We go 20. All right, guys, so that was 1 round. I finally completed it. Took me about 2-3 minutes there. You're gonna go as fast as you can go throughout all 4 workouts, then you can break. So this is my break in between right now. I'm gonna go for another 2 rounds. I want you guys to go at least for 3 rounds. Remember, switch up some of your grips as well. Don't just do regular grip. With dips, you can do regular dips, or you can do straight bar dips. You can do one-on-one, one-on-one. Same with pull-ups, right? You do close, one and one, one and one. Commando, get creative with it. That'll allow you to hit different parts of each muscle. Remember, anybody can do this workout. You could just up the rep range or just add weight to make it weighted calisthenics if it's a little bit too easy. But if you're a beginner, you can do the beginner progressions for this as I shown as well. So remember, do at least 3 rounds. If you do 4, even better. I'm gonna go finish up mine right now. Remember, please go follow my other social medias on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, core_calisthenics. Check out my website. I have all the workouts I know on there and videos of me explaining the correct way to do it at corecalisthenics.com. Check out my shop as well. I got Core Calisthenics shirts on there, wrist wraps, parallettes, and air wheels as well. So check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you then.